Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum students. Today in this video we are going to discuss properties of sets. Let's start the video. The first property is commutative property. The commutative property for union and the commutative property for intersection say that the order of the sets in which we do the operation does not change the result. For example, A union B is equals to B union A, and similarly in intersection A intersection B is equals to B intersection A. The order of the sets in both sides are changed, but when we find their answer, the results are same. Let's prove commutative property of union. Commutative property of union states that A union B is equals to B union A. The order of the sets in both sides are changed. So let's prove this property. We have two sets, set A and set B. Set A is a set of number 1, 2, 3 and 4, and set B is a set of number 3, 6, 9 and 12. First, we will solve the left hand side, which is A union B. To find A union B, first we write, to find A union B, we have in union set, we just write all the elements from both sets in a sequence. So I have written all the elements from both sets in a sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9 and 12. Now let's find the right hand side, which is B union A. In B union A, we just have to find the union of B and A, and in union set we write the element in a sequence from both sets, and if the element is repeating, we write it only one time. So I have written all the elements in a sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12. And you can see that A union B is equals to B union A. Hence, it is proved that A union B is equals to B union A. Now let's prove commutative property of intersection. Commutative property of intersection states that A intersection B is equals to B intersection A. This property is similar to union, commutative property of union. So let's prove the property. We have two sets. Set A is a set of alphabet A, B, C and D, and set B is a set of alphabets A, E, I, O, U. First we find left hand side, which is A intersection B. And in intersection set, we just write the common element from both sets. So in A and B, the common element is A. So we write A in intersection set. Now we have to find the right hand side, which is B intersection A. And again in B intersection A, we just write only the common element from both sets, and A is common, so we write A in B intersection A. So you can see that both sides are equal. So A intersection B is equals to B intersection A. This is the commutative property of union and intersection. Now let's learn the second property. The second property is associative property. The associative property of union and intersection states that the union or intersection of three or more sets remains the same regardless of how the sets are grouped. For example, A union B union C is equals to A union B union C. In this example, in this statement, we have two sides, left hand side and right. A, and B. Set A and set B are grouped, and on right hand side set B and set C are grouped. So the associative property states that it does not matter that how the sets are grouped, in which order the sets are grouped, the answer of both sides are same. So let's prove this property. First we prove associative property for union. Associative property for union states that A union B union C is equals to A union B union C. On left hand side, B and C are grouped, which means that we have to find B union C first. So let's find the left hand side, and for this we have three sets: set A, set B and set C. Set A is a set of numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and set B is a set of number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and set C is a set of number 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Let's prove the associative property of for union. Left hand side is A union B union C. On left hand side, B union C are grouped, which means that first we have to find B union C. To find B union C, first we have to write the set of B, which is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, then union, and then the set of C, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. In union set, we write the element from both set in a sequence. So B union C is equals to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now we have to find A union B union C. We have to find the union of A with the answer of B union C. And for this, first we have to write the set of A, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then we have to write the union sign and then the answer of B union C. Now A union B union C is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is the left hand side. Now we are going to find the right hand side of this property. For right hand side, again we have three sets, and the right hand side is A union B union C. On right hand side, A and B are grouped. So first we have to find A union B. For this, first we have to write the set of element of set A, then union, and then element of set B. A union B is equals to the element from both set in a sequence. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 11. Now we have to find union of C with the answer of A union B. For this, first we have to write the answer of A union B and then union sign and then the set of the element of set C. And when we find their union, the answer is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Set of numbers. The answer of left hand side is you can see that both sides answer are same. So hence it is proved that A union B union C is equals to A union B union C. This is the associative property for union. Now we are going to prove the associative property for intersection. And for this again we have a statement: A intersection B intersection C, B and C are in group, is equals to A intersection B, which are in grouped intersection C. So let's prove the left hand side first. And for this again we have three sets: A, B and C. Left hand side is A intersection B intersection C. On left hand side, B and C are in group, so which means that first we have to find B intersection C. So first we write the set of B and then intersection sign and then set C. In intersection set, we just write the common element from both set, and in these and in B and C the common element is 4, 6 and 8. So B intersection C is equals to 4, 6 and 8. Now we have to find A intersection B intersection C. So first we write the set A, intersection sign, and the answer of B intersection C. And when we find the intersection, the answer is 4. Now let's prove the associative property for intersections right hand side. And for right hand side, we have again 3 sets. And right hand side's statement is A intersection B intersection C. And for this, first we have to find A intersection B. So A intersection B is equals to set of A, then set of B, and intersection we just write the common elements. So the common elements are 2 and 4. Now we have to find A intersection B intersection C. So first we write the answer of A intersection B, then intersection sign, and then set C. And A intersection B intersection C is equals to 4. Now you can see that the answer of the left hand side and the answer of the right hand side both are same. So it is proved that A intersection B intersection C is equals to A intersection B intersection C. So the associative property of intersection in union is proved. Now the last property, which is distributive property. We have two properties. In distributive property, we have two properties. The first one is distributive property of union over intersection. This property states that taking the union of a set to the intersection of two other sets is the same as taking the union of the original set and both the other two sets separately and then taking the intersection of the result. For example, A union B intersection C is equals to A union B intersection A union C. On left hand side we have taken the union of A with the answer of B intersection C, and on the right hand side we distribute A union with B and C and then find their intersection. Now distributive property of intersection over union. This property states that taking the intersection of a set to the union of two other sets is the same as taking the intersection of the original set and both the other two sets separately and then taking the union of the results. For example, A intersection B union C is equals to A intersection B union A intersection C. On left hand side, we have taken the intersection of A with the answer of B union C, and on right hand side we distribute A intersection with B and C and then find their union. So this is the statement for distributive property of union over intersection, and this is the statement for distributive property intersection over union. Now let's prove this property. First we prove distributive property of union over intersection, which states that A union B intersection C is equals to A union B intersection A union C. So first we are going to find the left hand side, and for this property again we have three sets: set A, set B and set C. So first we find left hand side, and the left hand side is A union B intersection C, and here B and C are in group, which means that first we find B intersection C. For finding B intersection C, we just write the set of B, intersection sign, and then the set of C. Now in intersection set we just write the common element. So the common elements are A and E. Now we have to find the union of A with the answer of B intersection C. And for this, first we write the set A union and then the answer of B intersection C. And in union set we just write the both sets element in a sequence. So A union B intersection C is equals to A, B, C and E. Let's prove the right hand side. Right hand side states that A union B intersection A union C, which means that first we find A union B, then we have to find A union C, and then we have to find their intersection. So for this, first we have to find A union B. For this we just write the element of set A union element of set B. And in union set we just write the element from both set in a sequence. So A, B, C, D, E. Now we have to find A union C, and for this we write the set A elements and union and the element of set C. And in union we write the element in a sequence. So A, B, C, E, I, O, U. Now we have to find the intersection of the both set A union B and an A union C. And for this we just write the answer of A union B intersection, then the answer of A union C. Then A union B intersection A union C is equals to in intersection to the common element. So the common elements are A, B, C and E. Now this is the answer of left hand side, and you can see that both sides are equal. So it is proved that distributive property of union over intersection is proved, that A union B intersection C is equals to A union B intersection A union C. Now let's find distributive property of intersection over union. And this property states that A intersection B union C is equals to A intersection B union A intersection C. Similarly, first we have to find the left hand side, and again for this we have three sets, set A, set B and set C. So first we prove left hand side, which is A intersection B union C. And in this statement B and C are in a group, which means that first we have to find B union C. For this we just write the set B and then the union sign. This is the union sign. And then set C. And in union set we just write the element in a sequence from both sets. So the answer of B union C is A, C, D, E, I, O, U. Now we have to find A intersection B union C, and for this we just write set A element, then intersection, and then the answer of B union C. And in intersection set we just write the common elements. So the common elements are A and C. Now we have to prove right hand side. Right hand side is A intersection B union A intersection C. So first we have to find A intersection B, then we have to find A intersection C, and then we have to find their union. For A intersection B, just write the element of set A, intersection sign, then the element of set B, and A intersection B is equals to A and C, because A and C both are common in both sets. Now we have to find A intersection C, and for this we just write the set A, and then we have to write intersection sign and then the set element of set C. Now A intersection C is equals to A because only A is common in both sets. Now A intersection B union A intersection C is equals to answer of A intersection B and then answer of A intersection C. And when we find their union, so the union is A comma C. And you can see that the answer of A intersection B union C is also A comma C. So the distributive property of intersection over union is also proved. I hope students you all have understood this video. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.